All right, guys, hello, welcome. Bienvenidos to another traveling Costa Rica video. Today we are stopping the Moto BC tour in Brasilito, the beach right up here. Guys, I'm just getting a coffee, and then we're going to go do a walk and talk and tour of this little town. There's the Moto, the Chariot, the Chungus. We're hitting it. Guys, if this is your first time joining, hit subscribe, hit like, leave me a comment with your feedback, question, requests, or just let me know where you're watching from. Now, before we start this walk and talk and tour, let's talk about how to get here and where is Brasilito. All right, guys, so here we are in Costa Rica. You can see Brasilito is out here on the west coast. If you're coming here, you'll probably land at the Liberia International Airport right there and head out through these roads. These are all well-paved roads. You go through Belen there, you go through Huacas, and then you end up in Brasilito. Now, for this tour that we're doing, the last stop was actually down here near Manzanillo, and we did some pretty rustic roads heading up to the main highway there, and came down around through Nicoya, through Santa Cruz, and then out this way past Tamarindo and Villa Real, Huacas, and Brasilito. All right, guys, so there is the soda that I just ate at, or had coffee at, and got my nicotine in at. So we're going to go down to the beach and do a live water test here in a second. But first, let's go up to the road, see what it looks like up there. And as we walk, I'll tell you guys about the trip here. So we passed by Villa Real, which is the little town just outside of Tamarindo. It's at the main intersection in Tamarindo, and there's a little fruit market there that I often stop at and fuel up with some fruits. Got some kiwi. And we continued on and went through Huacas, which is kind of a main town that is in between Tamarindo and Playa Flamingo. And continued, we passed by the Westin Resort entrance, really nice big built up entrance. And that brought us to basically right here. So give you guys some bearings, the Westin is just like a minute drive up that way. This is the main road. So I think what we'll do is continue on yonder, I think about 5 kilometers, and we'd be in Playa Flamingo. Playa Flamingo. Oh, and here is, of course, the town sign, Brasilito. So that's pretty cool. Had to get a picture of that. See, it's very busy here. Everybody traversing. It's a Friday right now, so I can only imagine that it's going to get busier. There's a souvenir shop. So guys, if you're coming to the Westin Resort, Playa Brasilito right here is right beside Playa Conchal. And then Playa Flamingo is like the next beach up. And we'll see what we can see from the beach when we're doing the water test. They've got the stands all set up here. Let's just walk through here. Nobody told me I can't yet. And as I always say, guys, it's better to ask forgiveness than permission in most cases. Wonder what's going on here. Oh, we can have a peekaboo. So I think this is for the El Tope festivals that occur across the country. Oh, this guy's sleeping there. Okay. So yeah, I think they do like, I don't know what is it called? Like the bulls go in there and then people run around and get bullhorned and all mangled. So you can see there's a carnival as well. That's fun. So this area here in Guanacaste is where the beaches are really nice. Really nice up this area if you head north from here. But it's hot. Guys, I'm sure it looks hot in the video. I can assure you it is hot. Hot, hot, hot. What's going on down there? Oh, those are more my flavor right there. Those look like little Moto BCs, like what I have. Beginner motos. This thing spins around or something. I don't know what. Oh, this thing spins and flips. There's the spinner flipper. That looks like a barf machine. So maybe El Tope is happening like tonight or something. We'll see. There's Hotel Brasilito right there. There you go. Cuban mojitos. All the what are they running here, guys? I'll give you the price. I don't drink alcohol, so I don't know. That's like $5. I don't know what it. $8. I don't know what, looks like an energy drink and something. So there's some other options on. It's got the prices right on there. About $5 for all of these drinks. So if drinking the old flavored ethanol is in your palate, there you go. Here's a stage. Cool. Okay. Now I'm gonna stay in the sombra for a little bit, as long as I can here, because I'm a little blanco, you know, and I get red easy. So here we are. Okay, this is good. Okay, let's see. First of all, horsies. That's the first thing let's point out. Horsies there. All right, there's some horses coming up the beach. Let's get the lay of the beach here. So here's a little road with some more parking right here if you're coming down. Now, there's another horsey galloping up the beach. So that beach right over there where it's white, that is Playa Conchal. So we have a video there, I believe, before. I had some friends staying up in the woods back there. It was kind of strange. And the Westin is, I think, at Playa Conchal, but behind this little thing here, this little ridge line. So dudes are playing soccer, football. That's cool. I'm gonna let these horses go by. I've seen way too many videos lately of horses just conking people right in the face, and that's not what I'm here for. Now, I'm of the belief that right there, I'm gonna point at it, is Playa Flamingo. That is where Playa Flamingo is, where those houses are up on the ridge line. And that also where those houses are, wait, maybe that's Playa Flamingo. One of those ridge lines is up against Playa Flamingo, one of them. But we're going on that way anyway, so we'll look back this way and try to figure out where we are. Now, what's over there? What's over there? There's some islands. I don't know what those islands are. You guys know, let me know in the comments what those islands are, if they have beaches or they're for perhaps fishing or perhaps scuba diving. Cool, cool. Now, guys, before we go in the water, as always, I got the old water shoes on. Look at these water shoes. Oh, they're so good. They have big holes on the bottom, so they drain out really quick. So I'm wearing these as I ride around the Moto BC. And the link is in the description below, along with some other links of stuff that I find useful. Man, walking into the sun, I feel the burn developing. I do got sunscreen on though, so I'm not that silly of a goose. So the good thing about these water shoes, I just walked by this sand, and this sand is hot. I could feel it lapping over the shoes. And if I'm not wearing shoes or slides or something, that water is extremely hot. And I mean, if you're wearing shoes, you don't have to step in horse dung and fertilize your feet, your little toesies. He lost it, man. He lost it. Now, you see all these people walking here? I think a lot of people that are on this beach are staying at the Westin, right? So I think there actually is a trail over there, perhaps like right where I'm pointing. I'm gonna zoom in. If you're staying at the Westin Resort, I think there's a trail that goes back across that little ridge line to the Westin. So you can easily access Playa Brasileiro here. And here we go, guys. Here's the live water test. We're going to test for clarity and temperature. It's pretty cold. It's chilly. It's refreshing, is how I would describe it. Oh, there's a jet ski. That looks so fun. I don't know how much jet skis are at this beach, guys. Usually I think they're about like $100 an hour or something like that. Oh, and there's the launch for the jet skis right there. And I can see some more parking over there. So the water right at the shore is a little murky because obviously there's some waves rolling in. But I can see it's pretty clear, like just right here. And I also don't see anybody swimming in the water, although it is noon right now. So presumably, you know, maybe in the afternoon. There's some people swimming right down there. Where are you? Where are you? Right down there, there's some people swimming. And that's just like a general advice. Like if you come to Costa Rica and you want to go in the water, just swim where other people are swimming generally. That's the consejo for safety. That usually means there's less less rip currents in that location. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that walking, talking tour here in Brasilito. As I try to zoom in, there's a helicopter up there somewhere. Where is it? I can't even see it on my little screen. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's right in the middle of the screen. Cool. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. This is the 8th video. I hope you're enjoying this tour and the Moto BC adventure here in Costa Rica. If you're enjoying it, let me know in the comments. If you're not subscribed already, hit subscribe, hit like here on YouTube. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from and any locations you want me to hit in our future travels. Thanks again for watching. Bye now.